What's up guys, my name is Supercho and today I'm going to show you how to add your Patreon link to the end of your videos, basically to your end screen. It is very simple, it will be a short tutorial. So you basically want to upload a video, you go upload that video real quick, you select the video that you need. Let's say what video, I'm gonna go with this one right here. This one's your video, you know, it's basically done uploading, you've done with the details and everything. You go to add an end screen. Basically the way you add your videos, your subscription button, that's how you're gonna add your Patreon basically, but this time from Element, and you just click link. So there you go, now you want a link, you go to your Patreon page, you know, this is my Patreon over here. You click copy, paste, you paste that link to the add link, and bam, there you have it. TI is creating reaction videos, it's already here. Over here you can put a picture basically of that. So you find, where's my what picture? You need a small picture. The file has to be 300 on 300. You just find a little watermark that is like Patreon or just whatever you want basically. But yeah, after all, you want to add a Patreon link, so there you have it. That's how you basically do it. It is very simple. So now that the video is pretty much done, you can check it out. If it's unlisted or public, then you can only be able to see the links. I don't think you will be able to see it if it's private. So I'm just putting it to unlisted. Let's go and check out if we have done it actually. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there it is. This is the end of the video. There is the Patreon link. This is what you need. You can add basically whatever you want at the end screen. You have plenty of options. It's just through a link. That's what a lot of people don't know, that is actually through a link. You just have to add your link real quick, but it's very simple. As you can saw, it took me under 30 seconds. It is very simple. So yeah guys, I really hope that this tutorial has helped you out. If you have any trouble adding your link or something like that, let me know in the chat. I will try to help out with the best I can. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I really hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.